To fully and efficiently utilize your air conditioning system, you must understand that it is a total whole house system. Interior air is continually recycled and cooled until the desired air temperature is reached. Warm outside air disrupts the system and makes cooling impossible. Therefore, you must keep all windows closed and drapes should be remained closed on windows facing direct sunlight. Another tip is to experiment with the adjustable registers in your home to establish the best heat flow for your lifestyle. Do not block registers or return ducts with furniture, drapes, etc. Setting the thermostat at 60 degrees will not cool the house any faster and can result in the unit freezing up and not performing at all. Extended use under these conditions can cause damage to the unit.